Hello, everyone. This is Rashad Robinson, the IT business analyst with CITSmart. Today, we're going to do a video on change management. Okay, so here we have a couple of options. We can create a new change or we can search for a change. Today, we're going to create a new change, okay? We're going to choose the contract, which is already chosen for us since there's only one. Um, the user, we're just going to choose admin, okay, for this video. We're going to request new platform implementation. Under the type, it's going to be risk analysis, okay? And the category we're going to put as major. We're going to select high impact and high urgency. Well, medium urgency. We'll do that. Description is implementing new platform across business units. Great. Change advisory board here. For the sake of this video, we're going to just choose manager. That way I don't have to have different users logged in to approve this request. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add a configuration item, okay? We're going to add data server. And what's going to happen is this data server's information, the details, specifications is going to pop up here, okay? We'll look through here, make sure everything is okay, and we'll save that. Great. Planning. We're going to plan to do this. We'll take it back 2 weeks from now. How about that? And we're going to do this when we expect everybody to be offline. That's usually standard practices for an organization. Or actually in hours, it's going to be 1 hour. All right, we're going to save this. Okay, so change number is 107. Awesome. So let's go down here. As we can see, that just populated. Situation is open, current task is approved request. Okay, so now we're going to go to request for votes and we're going to approve this request. Since for the change advisory board, I chose manager, it's only going to be me. Awesome. Okay, so now we go back to management here. And we're going to go to action and we're going to say start run task. On the right hand side underneath phase, you should see approved request here. That's what we want to see, okay? If it still says approval waiting, that means that the request hasn't went through. Okay, so as we go to planning, we have a couple of things that we can do. We have activities list and list of projects. The neat thing about this is you can actually import a MS project. If you've been working in MS project and you have some activities that you want to keep track of within the change management, you can import that here. But today we're just going to add this and we're going to do vision meeting. Now, of course, a vision meeting would have been done near the conception of this platform idea, but we're going to kind of work backwards here. And we're going to say vision meeting is going to be tomorrow at 10 to 11. Here it asks you the estimated time in minutes, just 60 minutes. We'll save that. Okay, let's see here. And then we also have a reversion plan that is going to ask us to upload. You can choose different document types. This is a document that I have here. And it's going to be version 2. Alrighty, and we're going to add that here. Okay, so now we're going to go to save and we're going to forward that flow. Great, so when we go down, now we see the situation is approved and we see the current task is planned, okay? So you remember earlier Let's start and run this again. When we created that activity, we created a vision meeting. We're going to go here and we're going to execute that. We're going to start it. All right, so we have everything. And it's been executed. Okay, now we're going to save and we're going to forward this flow. So now when you look here differently, it's situation, it's plan, current task, it's execute. All right. So we're going to keep going through the flow of this change ticket. We are getting ready for closure and we need to be able to give a solution. For this one, we're going to do, for the sake of this, let's just do operational system adjustment. Platform has been implemented. Now, if you notice here on the right, you have so many different options here, okay? Attachments, impacts, risk analysis by targets. You have your checklist, your reversion plans, roles and responsibilities, your vote, your knowledge base occurrences, and you have your processes and options, okay? So you can generate a PDF or you can generate a report of this, which is really neat. Let's make sure I put on information here, okay? We're going to save and we're going to forward this flow, okay? I'm going to go down and now it's in evaluate. Situation has been executed. And there's nothing much more to do, just depending on how you run this as an organization. So I'm going to save and forward this flow again. Okay, and so now we're done. Our change management has been created. We've went through the flow. The great thing about this is that it gives absolute visibility to your business and your technical departments. Okay, so thank you for joining in on this video. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I'll see you next time.
CITSmart, service management for everything.